Bonjour, monsieur, mademoiselle. Les bons temporales. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Wolf, and I'm here at 1595 East Joy Lane, the new home of the Fort Mojave Trading Post. And today we are having Mardi Gras Foodie Truck Fest. And I'm going to walk through and show you what we got. We have some wonderful ladies from Anderson Window out here for Anderson to reclaim. Remember, you know, we might live in the desert, but we got dry rot, we got expansion, contraction. Guess what? Everybody needs a new window, especially with the hot days. All right? We're walking in here. Guess what? We have the beginnings of our Foodie Truck Fest. We got Uncle Phil's hot dogs and shaved ice here. Get the dog of your choice, shaved ice and plenty of flavors. Bring the kids to run the bouncy house. Look at this. We have Pikachu in person. He's in his human form and he's taking care of this. There's little Miss Willa. People walking out with the elote corns. We have vendors up front and we have vendors inside. We got town favorites, Foodinis, River Sippin', Rebel Blends, Pupper G's, the Happy Tortilla, and of course, one of the most famous gentlemen who does that a great elotes, the corn man himself, Mr. Dan. We have Red Dog's Grill. Here, pastrami melt, Italian melt, roast beef and green chili, ham and turkey melt, grilled cheese. I'm gonna tell you something, you guys come down here, we got favorite flavors for anything that you want in your belly. We have Infused Energy. I believe they're, I'm not going to speak out of turn, but I'm going to let their signage speak for them. All right? Have a beer cart, cash only. Have an outside dining place right here for everybody to sit down, enjoy their beer, enjoy their food. Black Mountain Canine. Search and rescue training is there to take, is one of our is our charity for the day. Tacos, the trolley, you name it. Check this thing out. Home style barbecue. Slap barbecue. I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, it's an absolute cornucopia of good flavors and tastes. And for us adults around here, it is Mardi Gras for the occasion. And for the Mardi Gras for occasion, we have libations, soft drinks, beer, energy drinks, setting up for live music in a little while. I'm gonna tell you something. Come check out this awesome New Orleans flavored Foodie Truck Fest here at 1595 East Joy Lane at the newly rebranded Mojave Trading Post. This is the Wolf, and you have a beautiful day.